The French crossover is one of the freshest models of the Renault company, but it is already preparing for a restyling with very significant changes in appearance. What will it be like? Austral was presented in the spring of 2022, replacing the Kadjar crossover in the model range. Its name comes from the Latin australis, that is, southern, and, according to the idea of marketers, should evoke the emotions and heat of the southern hemisphere. The car is a little over 2 years old, and prototypes of the restyled version have already gone out for testing, thanks to which we have the opportunity to evaluate the nature of the changes in the design. First of all, the crossover will receive a completely new front end, which will now be made in the style of the new Scenic and Refrain models. The latter, by the way, is positioned as the company's flagship. Austral will receive narrow horizontal headlights and separately located vertical running lights, which is quite unusual for a restyling. Even the hood, judging by the spy photos, will be new. The rear of the camouflaged test samples does not yet show any particular differences from the current model. There is a possibility that it will remain virtually unchanged during the restyling. However, we have depicted a version with new lights, made in the style of the same coupe-like Rafale. Renault Austral is built on a modified CMF C/D platform, which is also used by the third-generation Nissan Qashqai. It was also recently updated. The crossover is equipped with mild hybrid power plants, the basis of which is a 1.2-liter Turbo 3 paired with a 48-volt starter generator, 130 horsepower, manual transmission, or a 1.4-liter Turbo 4 with a 12-volt starter generator, 140 horsepower with a manual transmission, or 160 horsepower with a CVT. The top-end E-Tech modification is equipped with a 1.2-liter engine, an electric motor, and a 1.7 kilowatt-hour battery, total power, 200 horsepower. The premiere of the updated Austral is expected at the beginning of next year.